What do you mean? Oh. Oh, yeah, oh. Small problem on. I keep telling you guys.
So you see, look. What happened?
Look at this.
Just crack like this.
Yeah. And that's tucked in too. That valve is tucked in.
Yeah, right here.
It's not sticking out at all. GLUETREAD. I got a lollipop in my mouth. Okay. Hold this. I'll show close. GLUETREAD.
Yeah. Good to have, yeah.
Blow pop. What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching.
All right, so we were like, what the heck is going on with the TRX? And now we know. Look at this, guys.
Did I debead or did I pop the tire?
I don't know, because I didn't see. You start there.
I mean, what did I hit that could possibly pop the tire? You know? Do you see my rim? Yeah. That's not supposed to be like that, Shan.
How'd that pop
Huh?
out? How'd that pop out?
And I can't get to my spare because of the mound. Wow, the easiest part of the entire trail. All right, show us what you got here, man.
Yeah, so it's basically, you see how it
Yeah, tapered.
So then when you screw it,
Yeah.
this rubber seal going on.
Oh, yeah.
And seal it.
All right, show us how you put it in.
Put it on the rubber rings. Yeah, push it this as much as you can.
Yeah.
And they have like a special nut.
Yeah. So you don't have to put anything on the inside.
No.
That's legit.
Now when you tied it, you can probably need like a chain link or something.
It's got those wings on it, so it might
Yeah,
not
but at some point you may need it. But that's cool, bro. They are probably more durable than that thing.
Yeah, way more durable than that. Because it doesn't have that rubber grommet to like break open.
Still twisting. I think that's it.
Yeah, it probably doesn't need to go. I wouldn't go.
How was the cap you have?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
See,
it's
yeah.
it's a low profile cap too. It looks like.
So whether we can know if we need more or not. But dude, look how strong it is.
Yeah.
Now
dude,
when you
I want to replace all of them with
yeah,
that.
when you hit it with rag or something, they're never gonna break.
So we need to get 3 more.
And this probably the this is the one to show you pressure here or no? It's just looking nice.
It's got something on there. It's got.
Some of them they have like a pressure
got
and a
design
green
on there.
and you know look
Maybe
nice.
that's the logo. Look at that.
Good, let's look legit, beautiful.
That's legit.
Yeah, I need one like this.
Yeah, maybe we'll get you
You
one.
can order this, man. That's good to have it.
Dude, are you kidding me? Because I
Look at this. If we fix this now, it's like 5 minutes. That's it.
Yeah, and I don't have to drive home at 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. So I got lighter fluid and a torch. And we're gonna light this
No,
mother.
we can probably compressor that because it's coming pretty tight, yeah?
You don't think that
Yeah,
it's...
you should compressor. Just compressor.
But then it takes all the fun away from doing the fire. I promised my daughter we'd start a fire tonight.
All right.
Cease? Fire?
Yes.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, so I've never been attempted before by myself.
I'm excited what's about to happen.
Yeah, well, we're gonna see. All right, ready?
I remember you showed me some videos of this once.
Yeah, I've only watched like 2. That was like years ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
when I was like 6.
So you take your... I can't open this without a knife. Oh, got it. Okay. So, you're gonna... Alright. So, you're gonna sprinkle it in there.
Smells like smoke.
Huh?
Smells like smoke.
See, that's the problem. So the loose between up and down, you know?
Well, we're not gonna be able to get a compressor on there. You know? Right? This is
You use the gasoline for that.
Yeah. Think that'll be a problem? All right, that's the rest of the lighter fluid right there.
I think it's still open in the bottom.
Yeah?
Whoa!
Yeah, problem is to see it's open.
Ah! Subscribe for more of this!
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yeah,
You were scared. You're like, whoa.
that's what it is. Okay, so then we'll hook the compressor up to it and then we'll just jump on it and fill it hopefully. Way less exciting, but alright.
But it's working.
Look, Chan, look at the gap.
Oh, you
There
see?
it is! Wait, come over here, see this one. Hurry! Don't put your fingers, just watch it. Here it comes.
Oh! There you go.
Look at it! Look at it!
Look at that valve.
GLUETREAD, dude.
That's awesome, man. That's really good thing, bro.
You're a lifesaver, Lucas. Thanks, brother. GLUETREAD just saved our entire trip. Thanks to a valve stem replacement included in their GLUETREAD kit. This is truly insane. We're rocking the old 38 right now, and it held to get us off trail, but this thing was wobbling like crazy on the street, on the pavement. It was totally, we were maxed out at 31 miles an hour. How are we gonna make it home 10 hours at 31 miles an hour? And now, we're saved. GLUETREAD. Game over. Discount description below. Where is it? Where is it? Say it below. Say it below. Okay. Reggie, say below. Okay, cool. Say below.
Above.
Above. 10 seconds it says.